I am TK. I am back with another video. Lather. Today I decided to do a leather check. Natural soap versus soap with chemicals. I gathered a whole bunch of soaps from around my house. So this idea initially came to me a few days ago when I was washing my hands at the sink after I was eating, and I was like, wouldn't it be cool if I did this? Show the difference between chemical soap versus natural soap, and it still does the same thing as far as cleaning wise. So we shall see, right? Come on. Okay, so the first soap I'm going to use is a Bath and Body Works soap. It's not sponsored or anything. So let's get to it. So just use a little bit. Second one I'm going to use is a Target brand soap. Smells good. It's not advertising or anything. So as you can see, Lathers. Mind you, all these soaps have chemicals in it. That's up for one. That's my soap. Okay. So I'm not biased or anything. I'm just saying. Shameless plug, tkscrubs.com. That's all I'm saying. The third soap I'm trying is Maya. So I just use one pump like I did all the rest of them. One pump. One pump, sure. One pump. Lather the same way. See? Works the same as the top brands, the big brand soap. So why are you guys not buying it? What's your hesitation with natural soap? That's my question to you. It's non-toxic, chemical free, cruelty free. And works the same way. As you can see, as I just demonstrated. My second scent I'm coming out with is Tea Tree, and it's being released within the next week or so. So I hope you guys are excited about that, because I am. And my sanitizers are still available for sale.